a moment?
Not interested.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, yo!
The red mist is coming.
Yo, the red mist is coming! Oh my gosh.
SpongeBob.
Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh my
Will
gosh,
you two
bro.
knock it off? I have a concert to practice for.
Oh great, you made Patrick and SpongeBob cry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why is it getting red? Yo, it's getting all red. Oh my god, his eyes. Yo, his eyes. Dude. Oh my gosh. Okay. What is this?
Ladies and gentlefish, Bikini Bottom's Community Rec Center is proud to present Squidward
Wow, Sarah
Tentacles.
Bonson, Gamer Gold commented. Nice. Oh my god! Oh my god! My ears are hurting!
I don't think I'm gonna be sick.
Oh my god, she's sick! Oh my gosh! Bro! Oh my god!
Stink!
Yo! What the frick? Oh my god, red mist. Okay, what is this? Why is Squidward covering his eyes? Wait, is it because he's... Wait, is he crying? Wait, is Squidward crying? I think he's crying. Okay. What is going on? Oh my god, it got all red! Yo! Oh my god! Oh my god. Bikini Bottom! Yo! Oh my god, Squidward! Achoo! I'm sorry, I just sneezed at your face. Oh my god! Yo, Squidward! Yo, Squidward! What are you doing? How are you doing? What the? Oh my god, stop! Yo! Stop with the static! Yo! What is this? This is getting creepier and creepier and creepier! Yo! What is this? Oh my god! What? Are you serious? What the frick is this? What is going on? Oh my god. What the frick? Stop! Stop! Stop staticking! You're making me annoyed! What the frick? Yo! Oh my god! Stop this nonsense! Yo! Bro! Would you please stop that? It's making me annoyed! You're making Bruno angry. It looks like Squidward's making Bruno angry. Yeah, I am mad, but I'm still smiling though. Because I can't make motions. Oh my god! Why? Stop! Yo! Oh my god! Oh my god. Squidward! Oh my god, Squidward's crying! Oh my god, now he's crying blood! He's red mist!
Do it.
Oh my god!
it.
No, don't do it, please! Yo! Oh my god, what the freak is this? Yo! Oh my god, the noises! Bro, what the frick? Oh my gosh! What are those noises? Oh my god! This is the most creepiest video ever! Yo! What the F is this?
The red mist is
Oh
coming.
my god! The rest mist is coming! Yo! Yo! Luckily there's no jump scares in this, but oh my god, that was so terrible. I'm rating this a